In business administration, we have different departments. In the administration department, the receptionist role, we are the one dealing with the customer because we are in the front, so we take good care of everything. And also the incoming and outgoing mails, we take good care of that. Next is with the sales department. We make sure that we make some flyers, check out the incoming sales and the purchases that is being made from different business to promote more. It's more on promotions. Now, in purchasing, all the finances are being processed accurately and concisely, making sure that everything is fixed, everything is processed as it should be, especially the prices, because you just want to make sure that the money coming there is correct. I think the most important role that I did here is the human resources department, because there you were able to give the information, the most important thing, the workplace health and safety, which is very important in every company, to make sure that they know what they're doing, the safety procedures. So basically, that's the thing that we do there, but it's the most important role and more fulfilling, because you were able to make sure that all the staff, all the members know what they're doing and how to do it properly and safely.